Are you struggling with erectile dysfunction? You're not alone. And there are natural ways to manage and even overcome it. In this video, we'll explore 10 practical and effective tips to improve your sexual health. Confidence and performance, starting today. What you eat plays a big role in your sexual health. A diet rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins can improve blood flow, reduce cholesterol, and boost testosterone levels. Cut down on processed foods and sugar. A healthy heart equals a strong erection. So start with your plate. Tip number 1, eat a healthy, balanced diet. Tip number 2, exercise regularly. Being overweight, especially with belly fat, can lead to hormonal imbalances and increase your risk of AD. Natural ways to boost it include strength training, reducing sugar intake, getting enough zinc and vitamin D, and minimizing stress. If levels are too low, talk to a doctor about possible hormone therapy, but try natural methods first. Overuse of pornography can desensitize your brain and make real-life intimacy less arousing. This can lead to performance issues or even porn-induced ED. If you suspect this may be affecting you, consider reducing or taking a break. Focus on building real connections and rediscovering natural arousal. It also raises your risk for diabetes and heart disease, both linked to erectile issues. It can be a sign of underlying health issues like diabetes, heart disease, or low testosterone. A doctor can help identify the cause and recommend treatments, therapies, or medications if needed. You don't have to suffer in silence. Help is available. Open, honest communication with your partner can relieve pressure, reduce performance anxiety, and strengthen your bond. Don't hide the issue. Instead, work together. Emotional intimacy can often lead to physical improvement. Losing just 5 to 10% of body weight can make a noticeable difference in erectile function. Your journey to better erections starts now. Take charge of your health starting today. Physical activity, especially aerobic exercises like walking, running, or swimming, boosts circulation and improves cardiovascular health. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Nicotine narrows blood vessels and restricts blood flow to the penis. Similarly, excessive alcohol depresses the nervous system and decreases sexual response. Quitting smoking and drinking moderately or not at all can improve erections significantly. Your body and your partner will thank you. Turn off screens an hour before bed, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and keep your sleep environment cool and dark. Chronic anxiety releases cortisol, which can lower testosterone. Practice deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Even daily journaling or talking to a therapist can reduce tension and improve your mental and sexual well-being. This is essential for achieving and maintaining erections. Just 30 minutes of moderate exercise a day can enhance performance, stamina, and even libido over time. Move more to feel more alive in every way. Tip number 3, manage your stress levels. Stress can interfere with your brain's ability to send signals needed for an erection. Tip number 4, get enough sleep. Poor sleep affects hormone levels, including testosterone. It also increases stress, leading to fatigue and low libido. Tip number 5, quit smoking and limit alcohol. Tip number 6, maintain a healthy weight. Tip number 7, boost testosterone naturally. Testosterone is crucial for sex drive and erections. Tip number 8, communicate with your partner. Erectile dysfunction isn't just physical, it's emotional too. Tip number 9, avoid porn overuse. Tip number 10, talk to a healthcare professional. If ED persists, don't ignore it. Remember, erectile dysfunction is common and treatable. By making positive lifestyle changes, you can improve your sexual health and overall well-being. Which of these tips will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and pain-free. Get your supplement in the link below.